everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. Give me a second. Yeah, so before we start coding, let's align our expectation. So, the series of Python 30-day, 30-minute challenges I have started. So, let me discuss very practically that this course is not just about learning Python syntax. It's about using Python practically in DevOps. So, we will understand how Python is used in real DevOps work. There will be a hands on coding, not only theory. And we will slowly move to advanced topics like automation, testing, decorator, assign programming. So by end of this course, you will feel confident to use Python in real world DevOps project. So understanding key concept of working with Python, practice through quiz and mastering advanced. Okay, so next is aligning expectation, require and prerequisite for making the most of this course. So what is the prerequisite? So familiarity with programming, basic knowledge of language like JavaScript or Python, and common programming concepts such as variable and loop constructs. So this is the basic, and if you don't know, then also no worries. But you will have to be familiarity with DevOps concept like understanding CI/CD, automation, and related practices. Then it will be very good for you. And familiarity with terminal, command line, and optional will GitHub if you know, that will be very good for you. And if you will have these foundational skills, that will help you to grasp the course material more effectively. So now talk about what knowledge you should already have. Explain like programming basics. So in programming basics, you have to understand CI/CD automation and tool, that is helpful. I already told you. So don't worry if you don't know anything, we will build skills step by step. Next is setting up Python. So here, now we will start with setting up Python properly. This is very important that we will install and configure Python. Difference between system Python and C Python. We will understand managing versions using pipe env, virtual environments, why isolation is needed, using venv, running Python code, and REPL also we will understand, and .py files, Jupyter tools, like correct setup avoid many future problem. So we will understand and I will show you how we have to install. So don't worry. Now next to why choose Python for DevOps. So here if we will go discover like readability and simplicity. So Python code look like English, easy to read and maintain. Okay, reduce barriers, making rich standard libraries. It means many tasks are already solved. No need to reinvent the wheel. Python includes a robust standard library with modules like OS, all these things. You can read. If you want, you can take a screenshot. Vast ecosystem. So libraries like Boto3, Request, PyYAML help in cloud automation. Now cross-platform. So same scripts work on Linux, Mac and Windows. Integration. So if you are talking about Python connects easily with APIs, CLI tools, Docker, Kubernetes. And if you are talking about community, so huge community support, solution available online. So that's why Python is a must have skills for DevOps engineer. Now, one second. installing and configure Python. Now let's understand how Python exists on our environment. Okay. So Python comes in different form. We must be careful not to break system Python. DevOps engineer often need multiple Python version. For example, if we are going to install, we are going to write one pipeline, and in that script we want to install Maven also, and Docker also. And for example, Maven is supporting some different Python version and Docker is supporting some different Python version. So in that scenario, we need to install Python different versions. Okay. So we must be careful not to break Python. One second. Yeah. So system Python. Let's understand what is system Pythons. So system Pythons comes pre-installed with the OS and it is used internally by operating system. Now what is like never install package globally using sudo pip. And CPython is the official Python implementation written in C language. And now how to install and configure Python. So from python.org we can install using homebrew, and to manage multiple versions safely py.env is recommended. Okay, here if you will see. Now managing multiple Python installation with PNV. So now let's understand PYENV, a very important tool, because PYENV install multiple Python versions, switch versions easily, keep system Python safe. Like if you want to install, we can install by curl command also, and like list also, so in a different way. Now see, list also, py install also, so in a different way we can install Python. Now let me show you how can we install Python. Okay, with different version. Install Python in different versions. Let me see the official document on the same machine. Okay, see here what it is. No, this is not official. Yeah, python.org. If you'll go here, managing multiple Python version with any tool, without any tool. Okay, go here. In tomorrow class I will show you how to install Python in Linux with Ubuntu operating system, or Debian or Red Hat. I will show all of that. So yeah, see Python dot, let me check official. If you don't understand anything, just type this thing in Google. Sorry. Yeah, download Python. Go here, download Python, install, manage, or for Windows. Now if you have Windows, you have to select Windows. If you have Mac OS, you have to select Mac OS. Now Python releases for Windows 25.2 and latest 3. So this I'm going to install. Okay, now see, We can download, but many dependencies is there. How can we install all that dependency? As of now, we have, like, if you click here, it will be show full documentation, and there we can write read each and everything. This document aims to give an overview of Windows, how to install, like Python install manager and basic use, and like pi, how can we do all this thing, pi hyphen m. So each and everything it is given here. Wow, yeah, it's done. Okay, it is taking 1 minute. See, this is one way. Another way also I will show you. This is the one way. Okay, so after that we just have to select the default option. So I hope, yeah, yes, yes, why you have to select. Now it will start again. It is asking why, and now it is starting installing. Another way is also there to install Python. If you don't want to go to the link, and if you don't want to install in that way, so other way is also there. One second. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenient. Yeah, launch. No, we just uh, downloaded Python. So search here Python, PyCharm. That is already there in my system, but I showed you how to install. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, that is old one. Yes, we have to go where? C drive, program files, search. It is of 2024. Which one is the latest? Just now I have installed. Where it is? It's not here then. Okay, let me do one thing. See, if you are getting confused, do one thing. Windows, it will give you. See, first thing is that in PowerShell we have to check Python version and it's already there. I know, but even though we are checking, it's there, Python 13 and Py is 3.14, its versions is there. If Python exists, it's fine. Then py.env we can manage. And what it is written, now just write yes, Python is there. Now it will tell the exact thing what we want. So do this thing, see, this kind of thing we get, this is fine. Now install py.env, because if we have py.env will be there inside our Python, that only multiple versions will work. So open PowerShell as an administrator and we have to use this command. This does not remove your existing Python. So just copy it, PowerShell, run as an administrator. Yes, do maximize, paste it, enter. Now what next it is saying? Set environment variable like pynb here or whatever it is there, it will be there in your environment, and py home. Update the path, otherwise we can update the path also like that. And this path will be like whatever here it is, same path. And then we can restart PowerShell and CMD. Then verify Python working, then install more Python versions. Check. Wow, okay, one by one we will do. As of now it is working. Let's check. This we can close it. This also we can close it. This we require. Yeah. Now just take the screenshot and paste in the ChatGPT. By using ChatGPT is also a way, like in coming lectures I will show how to use ChatGPT. Now it is showing that okay, that thing is done. Now we have to invoke by using this download. Now just run it, don't think much. Yeah, it's done. Next, exact py.env win means we have to see, ChatGPT is making our task so easy. No output is equal to success. If some output is coming, it means something went wrong. So output should not have to come. After that we will verify that folder is exist or not. We'll list, ls means list, and we will check the environment user profile.python, and it have to shown like this, and then we can rename it. So let's wait. Yeah, no output is coming, means it's done. Now if what it told, if it is done, then you will be, we have to run this and you have to say PME master. So yeah, output is showing correct. Now next step is rename it. Okay, copy, paste. See, rename item, done. Now set environment variable. Start menu, search environment variable, edit the system environment variable, edit variables. Oh my god. We are also thinking to, you are also thinking to do like this. No, it's wrong. Set important environment variable, that is very important. But I will tell you one thing. Wait. Set environment variable, and like we have to go to start menu, search environment variable, and then edit the system environment variables and environment variables. So how we have to do this? Let me tell you. Wait. So see, here it is written that go to the start menu, search environment variable. But many people get confused. That's why I take a pause so that you people use your brain, that why, what happening. So you look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay? And you will see a Windows logo. This. Correct. This is the start menu button. Click on the Windows logo, then start menu option will be come. Now if you are not getting, then you can just press you window R, then this option will you will get. Now on the most Windows system, there is a search box near the Windows logo. So click on it and start typing environment variable. ENVIRONMENT VARIABLE. Okay. Start. It is open, that open it, and environment variable, and click on the edit. So this only it told in ChatGPT, correct? Edit the system variable, edit environment. Edit the system variable and edit the environment. So under user variable, click new. Name pi dot user variable user. One minute. Yeah. So we are here. So we click on environment variable, user variable for Varsha. We have to click on new. Now let's see what ChatGPT is saying. Yeah, it is saying that not added. Yeah, click new field variable name pi.env. Just copy it and you just give the variable name pi.env. What we have to give value? Value means path. Okay, so that path I'm giving. See, you can just also you can paste your screenshot and according to it will give. Click OK and you should see new pi.env in the list. So just click on OK. Pi.env it is there. Now what next? Add pi.env underscore home. Again click on new and then again because it is also not there pi.home, then click on new. Again we are giving this and then again value we are giving this path. Okay, then next giving this. Okay, okay, now this also came. Next, both pi.env and pi.env underscore home it is there, that is for Windows. Now edit the path, most important step. Click on path and click edit. A new window will open with a list of paths. So add Python. So what path we have to give? Okay, user variable for Varsha and path. Where I don't know. Okay. See what I am doing. If I am not getting, then how? See, I understand, but for you people convenient, I am just trying to show you that how you people can do if you get stuck, because it's not possible that you people will come each and every time with me. So just copy it and just paste the same thing. How can we do? Please elaborate. It will give you the things. That Python, this is there. So next, deep explanation. Why path is critical? So when you type in PowerShell Python, user variable for Varsha, click on path and edit. User variable for Varsha, click on path and edit. Where is the path? That I am not getting. Yeah, this one. So system variable path, click edit it. Now what we have to give? And we have to paste this path. Bin. Let me ask. See, if I'm giving incorrect or not, let me ask with ChatGPT only. See, here we are not doing anything production work or something. That's why we can take the screenshot or something. That is not a problem if you are practicing for yourself. Okay, what is the problem right now? You are editing the wrong path. The Windows shows system path entries like this. So what we will close this window, then open the correct path. Cancel. Go back to the okay. See, that's why we have to change. Cancel. And what it is saying, you should see the this window again on system variable. So select the correct path. Very important. Under user variable for Varsha, click path. Okay, I am editing in system variable, but we have to edit in user variable. Okay, it's my mistake here. In path, edit. Yeah. Now system we should not have to change. The correct path editor will usually contain the entries like this. Let me again cross verify so that I will not make a blunder. Okay, now let's do it and we can ask, is it correct or not? Yeah. User variable path, add path. So click on new and then we have to copy this new and we have to give the path. Next, click again new, then give this path. Okay, then I think we have to save. Move them to the top. Okay, then we should have to move this both to the top. Okay, make file C drive. Okay, how? Okay, okay, we have to make it up. Now this one also. Okay, it's done. Let's move up. Final top order should be like this. Yeah, it's there. Any Python series? Okay, save everything. Before saving, let's ask, is it correct? See, this is very complicated. So tomorrow I will tell you how we can do all this with the PowerShell itself and in Linux also. Yeah, it's done. Save and close this. Okay. 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 Now restart terminal, open new PowerShell. Open as okay. Now check the Python version. And this is coming. Okay. Now what it is saying? Normal. Okay. Varsha users and Varsha I have to go. Okay, okay. Yes, now I'm in a correct path. Yes. See Varsha's. Yeah, it's fine. Now check the Python version. Ask ChatGPT. So this is very complicated. I am showing you why I am showing this, so that you people will understand how complicated it is. So better to avoid, I will tell you tomorrow how to install in Linux. Okay. See, now again. So this is very critical thing. Now I think I have to go inside that bin path. But let me ask. See, this will take a long time, but we will try. So it is very difficult to solve. So as of now, I'm skipping. Tomorrow I will tell you from the starting that how can we install without any that much ghost push. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day.